You know what me and Dushan do? He'll call me. And hey, Juice, brate, reci. Hey, brate, šta ima? And when I call him, he'll be like, da. Oh. Yeah. It's a Serbian thing. It's a Serbian.
How do you say it again?
Hey, Picho, da li se cepaš?
Hey, Picho, da li si cepaš?
Da li si cepaš? She's like mad American.
How did she say?
Hey, Picho, da li si cepaš?
Hey, Picho, da li si
Hey, Picho, da li se cepaš?
Wait, Dali?
Da li se cepaš?
Dali se cepaš.
How did she say it before? Like you said guy and he's in Serbian. How did she say it? You were like,
Serbian and guy.
yeah. How did she say it before?
Hey, Picho, da li se cepo? Cepa.
Wait, hey, Picho, da li se cepa? Doesn't se cepa mean to break, to rip? Cepa?
To break is the razbio.
To rip. Cepa. Hey, Picho! I'm
Hey, pizza. Hey, pizza, you want to fuck? Hey, pizza.
Hey, Picho! Dali si cepa?
Dali se cepaš. Dali si cepaš. Are
Dali
you fuck?
Do it in English.
What?
Like if an English person tried saying it.
Oh, like, hey, Picho, dali se cepaš? Dali se cepaš.
Hey, Picho!
Then if an Indian, yeah. Hey, Picho. Dali se, no. Hey, Picho, dali se cepaš?
Hey, Picho, dali se cepaš?
Sad tamo da cepaš malo,
Hey, Picho, dali ti cepaš?
Ovo dobro nož.
Say something
Ovo je
else.
dobro nož.
Say something else in Serbian. It's like dirty like that.
And it's funny.
Ti ima jako lepo
Pticu.
Huh?
You have a very nice bird.
No, it's like saying Hooters. Like how Hooters are tits and Hooters are birds. That's how it is. It's like saying birds, Hooters. Hey, Picho, imaš.
Say something else.
Ja sam meso na tvoje pjeskavice.
Pieskavnica? Sandbox?
Sandbox.
Pljeskavica is food.
Patties.
Fry cook over here.
I've been here before.
You sound like the screen muncher.
Bosna Express.
Boss Max.
I've been here before.
Yeah, I
Those
know.
things we ate there.
I've been here before. I'm full. I've been here before.
Are you hungry?
Oh, you know.